subscribe to our channel, give a like, and share with your friends to help us keep creating more content. Nature is a vast and complex system full of mysteries that have fascinated scientists, explorers, and curious minds for centuries. From extreme weather phenomena to hidden wonders in forests and oceans, nature constantly surprises and challenges our understanding. In today's video, we will explore some of the most intriguing mysteries of nature, revealing what science has discovered so far and what remains unexplained. To begin, one of the most impressive and, at the same time, frightening phenomena is volcanic lightning. This event occurs during volcanic eruptions when ash particles collide, generating electricity and creating intense lightning within smoke clouds. While scientists understand part of the process, the mystery of how electricity is generated on such a large and violent scale continues to intrigue experts. This natural phenomenon is a powerful reminder of the Earth's unpredictable force. Another fascinating mystery is the sliding stones of Death Valley in the United States. These stones, some weighing hundreds of kilograms, move by themselves across the dry lake bed of Racetrack Playa, leaving mysterious trails in the cracked earth. For years, no one could explain how they moved. Recently, scientists discovered that a combination of thin ice and strong winds causes the movement. Yet, seeing something so large and heavy move independently in a desert remains something that defies imagination. Next, we have the phenomenon of the Northern Lights, a spectacular display of colorful lights that occurs in polar regions. These lights are caused by the interaction of solar particles with Earth's atmosphere, creating an impressive visual show. Although scientists know the basic process behind auroras, the unpredictability of their occurrence and the unique forms and colors they take are still a fascinating field of study. Science is only beginning to scratch the surface of what happens in the depths of space to create these visual wonders. Another mystery that puzzles researchers is the fairy circles of Namibia. These formations, characterized by perfect circles of bare earth surrounded by vegetation, spread across miles of desert landscape. There are several theories, ranging from termite activity to a complex system of plants competing for resources. However, none of these explanations are universally accepted, and the circles continue to intrigue ecologists and biologists. Another notable example is the phenomenon of animal rain, where creatures such as frogs, fish, or even birds fall from the sky during storms. The most accepted explanation is that tornadoes or strong winds pick up these creatures from their habitats and transport them elsewhere. However, the precision and quantity of animals falling in specific locations still raise questions about the natural forces involved. In the oceans, there is also the mystery of the dead zones, areas where oxygen levels are so low that almost no marine life can survive. These zones have been growing in size and number, and scientists believe pollution and global warming are significant factors. However, the exact behavior and rapid expansion of these zones continue to challenge scientific explanations. What we know is that they pose a severe threat to marine ecosystems and biodiversity. Additionally, the migration of monarch butterflies is an impressive phenomenon still surrounded by mystery. Every year, these butterflies travel thousands of miles from Canada to Mexico, following a precise path repeated for generations. Scientists still do not fully understand how these insects navigate so accurately, especially considering that no single butterfly completes the entire journey. They rely on complex genetic and environmental mechanisms that challenge our understanding. Finally, one of the most discussed and visible phenomena is the fire whirlwinds, also known as fire tornadoes. They occur when specific weather conditions, such as strong winds and high temperatures, create whirls of hot air that drag flames. These fire tornadoes can be extremely destructive and unpredictable, burning entire areas in minutes. Despite advances in forecasting and fighting wildfires, understanding and controlling these natural forces remains a challenge for scientists and firefighters. These examples show how complex and full of secrets nature is. Each phenomenon reminds us that no matter how much science advances, there will always be mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So keep exploring and marveling at the forces of our planet. After all, curiosity is the key to new discoveries and a better understanding of the world around us.